my name's Danielle, and behind me are the Ihumātao protesters as they make their way along with Piki to Parliament. Hikoi started at Whariwaka and but we'll see you guys at Parliament.
Ko tainui te waka, ko te mānukanuka hoturua te moana, ko kaiwhare e te taniwha, ko ōruarangi te awa, ko te puke tāpapatanga hape te maunga, ko tāmaki makaurau te whare tūpuna, ko hape te tangata, ko makaurau te marae, ko Ihumātao te papakainga, ko te ihu o mataoha te whenua, ko te waiohua ko waikato tainui te iwi. We, the founding 6 cousins of soul, are mana whenua. We stand here on the steps of Parliament as ahi ka. We stand here with our tupuna on our shoulders. We stand here to speak for our tamariki and our mokopuna. We don't represent mana whenua. We are mana whenua.
Ko Pawhai Olsen tōku ingoa. Ko makaurau, o ke tāpapa, Ihumātao, tōku tūranga waiwai. He kaitiaki ahau mo te makaurau marae Māori Trust. Ko tēnei, he reta no tā Mātai Trust. Kia Jacinda Ardern. Tēnā koe Prime Minister. We write to you on behalf of Whakaatu Marae Māori Trust regarding the special housing development at Ihumātao, Tāmaki Makaurau. Our trust is the mandated body o Ngāti Te Ahiwaru established in 2004 to support our marae reservation and hopu community at Ihumātao in keeping with cultural tenets. Going back 5 generations, our people have suffered the loss of wāhi-tapu, significant maunga, as well as traditional fishing grounds to meet the needs of Auckland. Past assurances given to our tupuna, grandparents and parents were tokenistic. Under the Resource Management Act 1991, mitigation measures and viable opportunities offer little value to the well-being and mauri of our culture and heritage. But again, these developments have let our people down. The Whakaatu Marae Māori Trust and Te Kawerau Iwi Authority, who are also our whānau, have contested the Special Housing Area 62 via every legal avenue. We would also like to remind this government of pending mitigations, namely the Orowarangi Awa Dice Bill 2013, ko ke tāpapa urupa erosion, and Auckland International Airport precinct development. We understand that our stance to restate our opposition to the special housing development may forego the mitigation benefits and housing offered to our people. However, the significant impact and effects to our culture, heritage and papakainga amidst the Ihumātao open space far outweighs the necessity of Special Housing Area 62. we implore you, as the last resort, to work with ministers to disestablish the SHA 62 at Ihumātao. Respectfully signed by 3 out of 4 mandated trustees from the Kotou Marae Māori Trust. Edwina Pirihi, Karen Matata Wong, Christopher Farmer.